This bird's freaking out, and this is why. He's literally about to attack me, I think. And that's why. Oh, she's coming. Okay. So, we need to cut this bush down so that it matches these. That is a huge difference. But every time I go over there to that bush, she gets within, I don't know, 6 inches of me. So we are gonna leave this bush for a while. Maybe go to the other side. She's trying to protect her babies.
We're all just hanging in there like one of our little kitties. Okay, it's been a while since I've been here, but David has the subfloor down in the kitchen. It's these right here. This one here, he's just laying here for something. Not the subflooring in the hallway yet. And possibly not in the bathroom, of course. Not in the bathroom yet either. And I can see the crawl space down there. There's a light on down there. I wanted to try to get pictures. He has been working, he took the carpet out in this room. And he has the replacement windows. He went to pick those up, and he's gonna do those himself. So I will try to make sure I'm over here videoing him putting those windows in. And this is where the cat was coming in, this little hole here, bringing its kittens in here, the kittens that we found in this room. So let me see what else. Nothing in this room except the windows are here. So he has that floor down, and we have a lot of the junk that was in here out. The windows for these front windows. And David has an air purifier on. It has a filter. It helps to keep the dust down and keep the air cleaner. It's called Air Safety HEPA filtration. I'm not really sure where we got this, but he used it at another house that we fixed up, and it worked really well. Hey, this is Cherry with Juniper Rose Rehab Homes, and I was just walking around our rental house that we're renovating. And do you ever feel like that when you're walking around and you see these weeds or grass that doesn't belong there, you just have to bend over and pick it out and pull it out? I do that everywhere I go. Just have to bend down and pull that grass or weeds out. But I was just taking some pictures and some videos. My husband will be coming back tonight, but I hadn't been here in a while. It's a little bit warm here, but it's going to be raining soon. So, but when we have a cool day, David works outside because it is going to be getting hot. So as soon as the weather gets cool, he's going to be outside and he's going to be pulling up the deck out there. But right now it's a little warm and it's going to be rainy, so he's going to work inside, but then he'll go outside when it's good weather. Same for me. But this board right here that you see, this plywood, is going to go in the bathroom. My husband's getting it ready to put on the floor in here. And there is in the bathroom, he said, there is kind of a slope to the floor. He's been working and working and working on that, trying to fix it. But he said he doesn't think he's going to be able to level it out really well. He can a little bit. It might be like in here where it's lower. I don't know if you can see the boards there, but of course, these double ones are higher than this one. So it may have been the way it always was, but anyway, he's been working on that with jacks that are under the floor in the crawl space. And some of those are going to be permanent ones. Okay, that's about all right now where we are. My husband's been spending a lot of time trying to level out the floor from underneath in the crawl space. And I am going to try to get a picture of the crawl space. I don't want to crawl under there, but I'll have to get my husband to take a picture. But he hasn't been out here lately. We had some other things come up that he's been really busy with, but he's going to be here tonight, and I'm going to try to be here to take some more videos for you to see how it's progressing. This is a little bit complicated to figure out how to lock this. My daughter was out here, and it wasn't locked today when I came out, so it was opened, but there, I got it locked. So our daughter was here yesterday. She's gotten all those bushes trimmed down to up here, which right in here is where she was attacked by the mama bird. If you know what this is, it was some sort of a roof that was on a play set that they had for the kids. Well, they had taken it off the play set and set it here on the ground. Well, their goats had the best time crawling up and down that little roof. They would climb up there and just stand on the top. But as you know, goats do like to climb on things. So our daughter found someone who would take this, and somebody's gonna come pick it up tonight. It is really heavy. It's solid wood, but their goats are gonna love that. And this fire pit here, can you see the roots there? This used to be a humongous fig tree. A lot of weed eating out of the front bed.